Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Entropy signs get easy when you track who heats up and who cools down. Watch this quick setup and the correct choice basically reveals itself. Copper starts in boiling water, so it is hotter than the calorimeter water at 20 degrees Celsius. When they touch, heat flows from hotter copper to cooler water. No guessing needed. As the copper loses heat, its temperature decreases, and lower temperature means fewer accessible energy arrangements for that sample. That gives the copper a negative entropy change as equilibrium is reached. The water warms from 20 degrees Celsius, so its particles can access more energy arrangements. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap rushing signs. Rule, trust the given temperatures and check each heating or cooling step before choosing.